Hi, today I'm going to show you how to build a NAS server. The cheapest build, it's only cost $15. The first thing you need to buy is STP, or we call it set-top box. The next thing is the hard disk or SSD. Is a memory card. It's only 4 GB, but it's enough to burn the operating system. The important thing is to make sure the STP or set-top box it's already root and unlocked. You can check out the link in the description. It's already root and unlocked. You can buy it. It's cheap. So don't forget to click it. First thing, you need to burn the SD card to your PC and using the software called Balena Etcher or Rufus or something like that. With the firmware that we downloaded before on the website, you can check the link in the description. So the first thing you need to do is download the firmware, link in the description below. After you download it, the next is open the Balena Etcher. Make sure you already put the memory card to your PC using the card reader, and then open Balena Etcher, flash from file using STP server image, and select target. This is the target, 4 GB of memory card or SD card, and then select and flash, yes, and then wait until it's done. After the process is finished, and then we go to the next step, close the Balena Etcher and then put the memory card into the memory card slot on the STP. After you put it on the STP, and then we turn on the STP and make sure connect it with the LAN cable to your PC. So I'll follow the instruction. Alright, as you can see, there is no connection here. Yes, this is the STP using the firmware NAS server. Wait until it's done, until I can entering the Luci, or we call Luci configuration interface with the address 192.168.1.1, then enter. Yes, we already get into login page. For the username, we using root, and password same, root. After we login into the login page, the next step is make sure after we can enter the login page, make sure we can read the disk or SSD by click system and then disk manager. There is no, because I am not plug it into the STP. Alright, we can press the rescan disk. It's already in the SSD, so 1 to 8 GB. 128 gigabytes already read. Let's check out the mount points. There's no because we are not yet setting it up. So let's start setting it. Make sure the address of mount point by clicking the disk manager and then mount point dev sda1. Just write it down /dev/sda1. Okay. Next step is we search for firewall in the etc and config folders using the service and the NAS and then tiny file manager to etc and then config and firewall. Okay, let's edit and then put and or copy paste the config rule until down. Okay, like this, copy and then paste the bottom of the line. Put one enter and then save. Okay, we already saved it. The next step is add folder called server because I named my SSD with the server. Go to etc. Go to folder www and then create a folder named server. Right now. Okay, we move to the next step. Search for rc.local on the etc folder. etc and then find rc.local. Here, then edit and copy paste here. The important thing you need to check is the location of your SSD or hard disk. SDA1 and then the folder is server. It is default, yeah, and copy paste before the exit line. Put one exit and put one enter and like this, click saved. Yeah, after it, we check out the system and then start up and scroll down or the bottom of the page. Make sure there is script that we already passed before, and then we check out again the mounted file system. On here there's no. Why? Because we need to put the code here. The FS3G, dev sda1, www, server, O, airway, big writes, yeah. We input it on the terminal, yeah. Put the credential, root, and then paste here. Make sure the SDA1 and then server name to your SSD or hard disk. And then enter. We check out again the mount points. Yeah, it's already right. www server and then 119 gigabytes. It's already right. And then we go, the last step is NAS and then network shares. Make sure you cross check, yeah, the share home and then enable Mac compatible share. And the last step, don't forget to input shared directories here. Click add and then name server, path is /www/server, read only, don't check it, allow guest, and then create mask 0777 and then directory mask same, and then save and apply. Okay, it's already complete, and we last time And the last, we can check it. Make sure the Explorer again, or we call tiny file manager, and then www server. Yes, it is already. And then go to file explorer and then type like this 192.168.1.1, enter. It's not red. Why? Because we need to reboot our STB or set-top box. Perform reboot and wait until it's finished. Okay, after it's already restart, and then type the login credential and then enter. So we already done the tutorial. Let's go to the file manager windows and then type the address like this and then enter. Yeah, we already done. So this is how to build an own cloud storage server with the cheapest build. It's only take $30. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope it will help you. And don't forget to check out the description below. And I'll see you soon.